This is where he goes over the center of the road on the bend. So if I go in a little bit closer, at the moment there, he should be obviously more on this side. The road, there's one road that goes there, and this one bends around that way, so he should be on this side more, and he's more in the center, and that's what the examiners failed him on. So yeah, that was that fault, and I shall show you the other fault shortly. Alright, this is where the other fault happens, and it's a meeting scenario. So basically, we've got spaces here and here, so he should have pulled up maybe here with the car coming just there, you can see it. But as we come closer, had we just stopped around here, it would have been fine as well. Potentially there's a gap there, but you know the car's already coming, so that's where he should be waiting. If I get a little bit closer, it'd be clearer. And then that made the car stop, but you know he's coming well, and this guy is sort of wagging his finger. You probably can't see it on the video, but yeah, that was it really. Let me see if I can just play that again properly so you see it better. There you go. So let's try that again. So coming along, and have I gone too far back in the video? There you go. And that's the guy wagging his finger. There you go. That was it. But it wasn't that bad, to be honest. It's a bit of a shame.